Palm roots, the truth that runs deeper than myths. What influences root growth? Do palm roots really grow as deep as 15 meters? Do palms have a taproot, or is that just a myth? Is it true that desert palms grow straight down in search of water? How deep do date palms' roots really go? Do roots grow more in depth or more in width? How can you recognize a healthy root system? And when does it become a problem? Are pink or red roots a bad sign or actually a good sign? Which palms tolerate root disturbance and which ones do not? What happens when roots lack oxygen? And how do roots respond to a lack of water and nutrients? If you enjoy exploring topics in real depth, our next level exotic gardening channel here on www.herohero.co and also on www.patreon.com already feature over 158 videos across 27 different categories, ranging from palms, yuccas, cycads, agaves, dasylirions, and banana plants, to cultivation techniques, common mistakes and myths. Join us now and discover what's really happening beneath the surface. Grow smart. Grow with us. Long live exotic roots.